All right, we're going to look at a video on how you might determine the equation given just a statement and you making the table. So Justin runs at a constant rate, traveling 17 kilometers in 2 hours. So we're going to make a table. We're going to make a table with hours and kilometers. All right. So I'm going to put 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. We already know that in 2 hours, Justin runs 17 kilometers. All right, so we want to know how much it is for 1. So I'm going to come up here. We can set up a proportion, but I want you to see the table too. So we've got kilometers over hours. So we've got 17 kilometers over 2 hours. And if we wanted to do 1 to set up that proportion, we would do 1 there. So we've got 17 over 1. So to come down here, we've got 2 times x and then 17 times 1. You know, in all the previous videos, we wanted to isolate that variable. So we're going to isolate it and divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then x equals 8.5. So when we look up here, in 1 hour, he does 8.5 kilometers. So we're going to put 8.5 here. And then it's constant all the way down. So 1 times 8.5 in 2 hours times 8.5 kilometers in 3 hours times 8.5 kilometers gives you 25.5, I believe. Let me double check that. Yeah, 25.5. So the constant here is the 8.5 all the way down. So remember the equation, y equals kx. So our equation here is y equals 8.5x. And you can do that in the table because, you know, when we're doing constant proportionality, it's always y divided by x.